Alright everyone, here it's me again, Thomas, the creator of Independent Academy. Now, this is our second video on the Money on-Chain platform guides and tutorials, and what we're gonna see today is how to access the decentralized application and how to connect our browser wallet. Okay, so in our previous video we had a really good overview on the Money on-Chain website, the information and the different tokens that you can access through it. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go up here to the top right corner and we're gonna click on DAPP. And this is like the website is the front end, like the home page, but we need to access the actual application. So the first thing we're gonna get is this information about IPFS. This is a new change that the Money on-Chain protocol did. Basically, their application is being hosted in the Interplanetary File System. And this is just a fancy name. Here we go, IPFS, Interplanetary File System. This is just a fancy name of a decentralized storage protocol, which means that the information about the decentralized application is stored not in a centralized location, but actually in a decentralized location, which means that if anybody would try to shut the application down, it would be much harder for them to do so because they need to target all the different decentralized computers that are holding the information. So it just makes it more secure. That's it. There's nothing really you need to know about it. You can see that when we go into the website, we see the IPFS logo over there. So the first thing we get prompted to is to connect our wallet. Now, in this case, we're going to use a browser wallet, which are the ones that appear right here above. If you have a mobile wallet, you will need to use Wallet Connect. Or if you have a hardware wallet, you can use the options below. So for our tutorial purposes, we're going to use the browser wallet, but again, you can use the one that you have, and the process is pretty much the same. I'm going to click on Liquality. We're going to be prompted to confirm, and once we confirm, we are in. Our wallet appears right here, and we are ready to go. And we will learn how we can use DOC, PPRO, and mock tokens. And we will also check the metrics website and understand what they mean and how we can use them. So basically that's how you get into the DAPP itself, and you can start minting, redeeming, and swapping between the different assets. And we will look more in detail in future videos. All right. Thank you for joining me. If you're watching this on YouTube or any other social media, remember to go to independentacademy.org and you will find all our guides and tutorials on the Money on-Chain platform, the Money on-Chain tokens, and everything you can do with them. All right, see you in the next one.